In this video, we are going to see how we can set a default zoom level in Google Docs. So what you can do is just exit out of your Google Docs full window if you have turned on the full screen on your browser, and just click on the three dots on your browser, and here you can see the zoom level. By default it is set to 100, but if you want to set the default document to be zoomed in, from here you can easily set that and set it according to whatever required. You can also hold the control key on your keyboard and scroll the mouse wheel up or down in order to increase or reduce the zoom level in Google Docs. And you will notice that even if you exit out of Google Docs and you open a separate window, you insert a new document, even then the zoom level is always set to whatever you set as default on your browser. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.